So in this video, we're going to go over different Canvas views for your Showit website. This is a really good way of having lots of information in one place. So for this video, we're going to go to Galleries, and we are going to zoom out just a tad so we can see the entire frame. This page has several different Canvas views. You can see them by coming here to view. So this is called a canvas, this rectangle section here with the gray dots. And this canvas has two views, 1, 2. This has a sliding gallery embedded within this view. So when you have two different views, as you can see, it lets you see lots of information in one spot. In order to do this, to create a new view on a canvas, you're going to want to have a place for someone to click. View gallery is where we have a click action, and our click action is set to canvas, this canvas, view 2. And it will then show up the view 2 when you click on view gallery. This also has a go back button, so your visitors don't have to stay here. They can go back to view 1 and read about it or learn more if there's information here for them to look at. So this has a go back button, and this go back button is set for canvas, this canvas, view 1. So basically it is just transitioning back to the original view. You can do this anywhere on your website with any canvas. You can do multiple views. So if you want to link this view out to another view, you can have come up here, add canvas view, and that will add a new view right here for you to put videos, images, text, as much as you need. So that is Canvas view.